Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is evening out notes to get a more consistent sound from acoustic instruments. Here's my mix in progress, and it sounds like this.
Without my heart, without my soul, but I won't go. No, I won't go. I thought.
Now we have a double bass in this arrangement, and if you listen carefully, we have a strong E note followed by a weak B note. So there are a few things I could do to fix this, but the main thing about this bass sound is it's made up of a DI and a mic sound with lots of spill down it. So although I could help the quiet notes up and turn down the louder notes with level automation, the problem is that the spill is going to go up and down with my sound as well. Instead, I'm going to use a dynamic EQ to even out the notes on my bass. Now, I've decided to cut the strong notes rather than to boost the quiet ones. And the reason for that is cutting allows me to use a narrower bandwidth, generally speaking, which can sound better. And so it's easier for me to stay out of the way of other notes. But when I use a dynamic EQ, such as FabFilter's Pro Q3, I have an EQ that turns down just that loud fundamental frequency when I need it without affecting the other notes. So now in the context of the mix, I have a bass with nice even notes that I can hear throughout the entire song.
Without my heart, without my soul, but I won't go. No, I won't go. I thought.
To find out more about evening out notes to get a more consistent sound from your acoustic instruments, head over to the Production Experts blog to read our full article.